Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a website on Ionos in just 5 minutes. Whether you're starting a blog, portfolio, or online store, this step-by-step guide will help you get up and running fast. So let's jump in. First things first, head over to the Ionos UK website. This platform is your one-stop shop for websites, domains, and cloud services. Once you're on their homepage, you'll find an array of services offered by Ionos. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, our focal point will be creating a website. Before you can jump into designing your website, you need to sign into your account. If you don't have one, don't worry. Creating an account is a straightforward process. Follow the sign-up instructions and you'll be good to go in a couple of minutes. Now, for many of you venturing into this digital space for the first time, it's crucial to understand the importance of a domain name. Your domain name is your identity on the web. It's how people find you and remember you. So it's important to choose a name that not only reflects your website's essence, but is also easy to remember. Luckily, Ionos makes this step quite easy. Browse through the available domains, pick your favorite, add it to your basket, and complete your purchase. Remember, the right domain name can make all the difference. With your domain name secured, it's time to start building your website. On the Ionos homepage, look for the website section. This is where your website creation journey truly begins. Ionos provides a website builder, a remarkably intuitive tool designed for individuals who are not necessarily well-versed in coding. Click on Website Builder to proceed. Before you can unleash your creativity and start designing, you'll need to choose a package. Ionos offers different packages tailored to meet various needs and budgets, so select the one that best suits your project. After completing your purchase, you'll have full access to the website builder and its myriad of features. One of the most exciting aspects of building your website with Ionos is the vast selection of templates. If you're not up for designing your site from scratch or simply need a little inspiration, these templates are a fantastic resource. They are professionally designed, customizable, and cater to a broad spectrum of styles and industries. Whether you're setting up an online store, starting a blog, or showcasing a portfolio, there's a template for virtually every need. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, designing your website. The Ionos Website Builder is a drag-and-drop interface that makes web design as simple as pie. You can add text, images, buttons, and more without writing a single line of code. Play around with colors, fonts, and layouts to create a website that perfectly embodies your vision. Remember, your website is often the first impression people have of you or your business, so make it count. Here's a little tip. Make sure your website is not just visually appealing, but also user-friendly. Navigation should be intuitive, with important information easily accessible. This enhances the user experience and helps keep visitors on your site longer. Once you're satisfied with your design, it's time for the grand reveal. Publishing your website is the final step in this journey. With a simple click, your website will go live, making it accessible to people around the world. Congratulations, you've just created your very own website. In conclusion, building a website with Ionos is not just swift, but also an enjoyable experience. You have complete creative control, with tools and resources readily available to bring your vision to life. Whether you opt for a template or decide to design your site from the ground up, Ionos has got you covered. Remember, creating the website is just the beginning. The digital world is dynamic, so keep your website updated with fresh content and engage with your audience to grow your online presence. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more easy tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.